English at the hotel.
Checking in. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Tom.
Welcome, Mr. Tom. May I see your ID and credit card, please?
Sure, here they are.
Thank you. Let me check your reservation. It looks like you've booked a standard room. Is that correct?
Yes, that's right. What time is check-in?
Check-in starts at 3 p.m. If you arrive earlier, we can store your luggage until your room is ready.
Great, thank you. Asking about room amenities. Excuse me, is there a safe in my room?
Yes, all rooms have a safe in the closet.
And how do I connect to the Wi-Fi?
The Wi-Fi network is hotel-free Wi-Fi, and the password is on this card.
Thanks. Is breakfast included in my stay?
Yes, breakfast is included and served from 7 to 10 a.m. in the dining area. Reporting an issue.
Hi, I'm having a problem with the air conditioning in my room. It's not cooling properly.
I'm sorry to hear that. I'll send someone from maintenance to your room right away.
Also, can I get some extra towels?
Certainly. I'll have extra towels sent up to your room.
Making a special request. Hi, can I request a late checkout for tomorrow?
Let me check. We can offer a late checkout until 1 p.m. Does that work for you?
Yes, that would be great. Thank you.
You're welcome. I've updated your reservation. Anything else I can help with?
Actually, could you recommend a good restaurant nearby?
Certainly. There's a great Italian place called Bella Italia just a block away.
Asking for directions. Excuse me, how do I get to the gym?
The gym is on the second floor. Take the elevator to the second floor and follow the signs.
Thanks. And where can I find a nearby ATM?
There's an ATM in the lobby, just past the front desk.
Providing feedback. Hi, I just wanted to let you know that I was very pleased with my stay. Everything was excellent.
Thank you so much for your feedback. We're glad you enjoyed your stay. Is there anything specific you'd like to mention?
No, everything was perfect. Keep up the good work.
We appreciate your kind words. Have a wonderful day. Checking out. Good morning, Mr. Tom. Checking out today?
Yes, I am.
Could you please provide me with the final bill?
Sure, here is the breakdown of your charges. Is everything correct?
Yes, it looks good.
Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept all major credit cards. I'll process your payment now.
Great. Can you store my luggage for a few hours? My flight isn't until later.
No problem. We'll keep your luggage safe until you're ready to pick it up.
Thank you for everything. I had a great stay.
Thank you for staying with us. Have a safe trip and we hope to see you again soon.